have a bare face right here and I'm not looking the most presentable person on the planet Earth, but we're gonna ignore that. I have already prepped my face with a moisturizer only, nothing too crazy, not toner, serum, nothing, just a basic as moisturizer. And now I'm gonna go on with a primer. I want glowy base today, and that's why I'm going on with this Manish Malhotra's illuminating primer. I mostly use my primer on T-zone only, not anywhere else, be it a moisturizing primer or a silicone based primer. It's just something that works on my skin type because I have heavily oily skin type. So definitely I go with a moisturizer right after I wash my face, but when I'm using a primer, just like a glowy primer, I mostly go on with that just on my T-zone where the light hits. Luckily I don't have much acne right now, but I'm gonna get my period in like 3 days, so I'm gonna get acne afterwards. So now I don't need to go on with a foundation, but I'm just using a very little foundation just to make my face look cohesive. Now you can go on with orange concealer, corrector if you have a lot of hyperpigmentation. Luckily currently I don't have. I get hyperpigmentation around my mustache area because I shave very frequently because I have a lot of hair on my face. I'm using my Sugar Ace of Base foundation stick, directly taking it with the help of my brush. I clean the base of my foundation with the help of a tissue so that there is no contamination happening every single day, because I use it on a daily basis. It can react on my face because my face is very sensitive as well. And this is one of the best medium coverage foundation. Honestly, you can build in the coverage as much as you want, but I'm just gonna keep it very minimal today. Now if you don't remember how to use a concealer, contour, blush and all of that, just remember the number 53. I'm gonna show you right here. Literally you have to draw 5. Do the same on the other side. It's such a quick and easy process to apply concealer, like literally within 5 seconds I'm done. Now I'm going to be drawing 3 with contour, but I'm not going to apply the contour directly on my face because this is a very pigmented contour. I'm just going to take a little bit on my flat top brush. I'm just going to draw 3 very lightly. Alright. Just gonna be doing the same thing on the other side. I have been doing this quite a lot lately and it has been helping me a lot. It's saving a lot of time actually. It's a less time consuming thing, I would say. I love this technique. So firstly I'm gonna blend my contour and then I'm gonna blend my concealer. I like to blend the deeper shade first and then I'm gonna go on and blend the concealer. If I'm not using a concealer, that's fine, but if I'm using a concealer, baby, I need the maximum coverage. I'm not a regular concealer user, by the way. I mostly go on with foundation, contour, blush and powder and I'm good to go. I know it's looking crazy right now, but once I blend everything in, you will see. I'm also going to blend the concealer into my contour so that it looks cohesive and it does not look like only a slope and a dragged line. I'm going back in with my foundation brush with no product, by the way, and I'm just blending everything together very lightly, not too much. Should not look like a layer. You know, all the products should be married with each other. See, this is what I was talking about. I have blush blindness, so I'm gonna use a little bit more blush than usual. I'm gonna place the blush over here only. I'm not gonna drag it over here. Usually I do that, but I'm gonna skip it today. Love using this Earth Rhythms 3 stack of blushes. It comes with 3 different shades, by the way. I took the first shade because it's a very beautiful nude pink shade. It has a coral shade, it has brownish nude shade, so it's perfect for brown skin girl like I am. By the way, if you are interested, a lot of you have asked me about my foundation shade. My foundation shade is 42 Glaze in Sugar Ace of Base foundation. I mostly match my foundation with my neck, not with my face. I sweat a lot, so it feels very gross when I'm using foundation on my neck. I know ideally you should use it on your ears, on your neck, everywhere to make it look cohesive, but I skip it. I don't like it. I just love glamming up my face only, and that's it. Before I go on with my powder, I'm gonna lock my base with this Color Bar Stay the Day Finishing Mist. Spray a little bit. I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes before I go on with the powder. I'm just gonna set my under eye very lightly with this banana powder. I don't wanna take away the glow of my face because I wanted a glowy base. Remember when I started doing makeup I said that, and that's why I went with a glowy primer. My favorite part of the makeup is doing my brows lately. I have been loving doing my brows. I have been like really giving time while filling it in. It's just a phase. Finish my makeup in like 5 minutes usually, but I really take that 3 minutes to fill in my eyebrows, I guess. I'm really into eyebrows these days. I have been really giving it shape, like lightly filling it in. combing it through. I'm not into pencil right now, even though I have been loving Benefit's micro brow pencil, which I use a lot. I have it right here. So I love using this Benefit's pencil as well. Obviously, makeup makes a very pivotal role, but the hairs are like something else. Like how you draw your eyebrow, how you do your hairstyle, it really makes a change. Alright. I'm definitely going to be drawing an eyeliner, so that will come later, but I'm going to use a little bit of shadow. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eyelid. It's a very beautiful pastel pink shadow. I'm going to go on with this liner. This is from iTex Dazzler Liner Colorstay. It's, I believe, in the shade a little purplish black. I'm going to use a kajal. I'm not going to use this kajal on my waterline. It actually makes your eye look very broad. I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery bronzing shade. I'm going to lightly pat it all across my eyelid. I'm also going to place it on the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply the same highlighter on the eye perimeters of my face, just like on my cheekbone. Also a little bit on the bridge of the nose. I think using a pinkish red lip is going to be amazing for this look. So I'm going to go with this L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade French Kiss. I don't know how exactly I forgot to apply mascara, like please arrest me, but we're gonna coat our lashes with this L'Oreal's Panorama mascara. It's one of the best mascara in the market currently, after Maybelline's of course, but it's slightly expensive than Maybelline, so I would say both of them perform really well, but this one's slightly better. So if you want to pay a little extra for that slightly better, definitely go for this one instead of the Maybelline Sky High mascara. I'm not going to use any mascara on the lower lashes, just on the upper lash. And this is my final finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, enjoying, entertaining. All the products link will be in the description box below. You can also visit the shop link where I have tagged all of my favorite products, be it skincare, makeup, whatever you need it, I have it over there. So it will be very easy for you to go through all those products. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, entertaining, informative in any which ways, and if you did, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Like this video, comment down below if you want me to recreate any other look. I'm up for it and I will do it very happily. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.